here represents our 15th generation, going back to as far back as 1914, so almost over 100 years of Ram history. More recently, since 1994, we've really had this, what we call big rig DNA in our design language. This truck here, the 2019 1500, represents our latest and most modern iteration of that kind of design formula. You'll see that we still have the drop fender look that gives that big rig feel. Split power dome hood as well. These surfaces all cascade down to the offset headlamp in the front. And this, what I call this unified front end graphic that gives this really kind of steely, determined look to the truck. The most difficult part, probably, of designing the new 1500 is making a truck that looks good across several configurations. We have 2 different wheelbases, 2 different cab lengths, and 2 different bed lengths. And we've designed each configuration to look perfect in its own iteration. The interlocking theme that you see on the new 1500 are the lines that we use to tie the cab and the different beds together. The most important thing, I think, is this sprung A-line, the line that goes from the fender all the way back to the bed. It's not a flat line, it's a curved line that gives the truck an almost animalistic nature. I would say some of the main achievements of the exterior of the Ram 1500 are improved aerodynamics, improved proportions, and some of those that come together, such as the raised bed height, which we used to get better proportions and better aerodynamics. And another key feature as well are the way we've integrated technology in the design of the truck. So things like park sensors and cameras are all carefully hidden into tailored areas of the truck, such as the fog lamp bezels or the grille.